Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of eFootball and learning how to play it with a PS5 controller on your iPhone. Before we begin, let's discuss the required hardware. You'll need a PS5 controller and an iPhone that runs iOS 14 or later. First, we need to set up Bluetooth on your iPhone. Open your settings and tap on Bluetooth. Next, let's pair the PS5 controller. Press the PS and share button simultaneously until the light bar begins to flash. Once paired, head to your home screen and launch the eFootball app. In-game, navigate to settings to optimize your graphics and control settings for the best experience. Now, let's talk about how to effectively use the PS5 controller during gameplay. Practice makes perfect. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting your Bluetooth and repairing the controller. Here are some tips to enhance your gameplay experience: stay calm, practice regularly, and learn the field. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy eFootball on your iPhone with your PS5 controller. Happy gaming!